The opportunities to share Jesus are all around us, in our workplaces, schools, universities, in our communities, and even on social media. But how do we make the most of these opportunities?
At Passion for Evangelism, our heart is to encourage, equip and empower women to share the good news of Jesus. We are a network of over 1,000 women who are passionate about sharing Jesus right where God has placed them.
We've seen women share talks, testimonies, spoken word, both in person at different types of events and online as well. And that's why we're really excited for our upcoming Creative Evangelism workshop. And we want to help women to share the gospel with confidence, with clarity, and with creativity in the unique ways that God has made them.
This is more than just a one-day event. Before you come, you'll be given a training video and a mentor to help you prepare. And then on the day, you'll be given the opportunity to share what you've created, receive feedback, and listen to some Bible teaching as well. Whether this is something you've never done before, or you're just looking to develop the gifts that God has given you, we'd love for you to join us. Although the main focus on the day will be Christmas evangelism, the confidence and skills that you'll gain will help you share Jesus in your everyday life.
So if this sounds like you, we would love you to join us on Saturday the 24th of October at Hamilton Baptist Church. And you can find more details and register on the Passion for Evangelism website. We really just want to see women encouraged and having a go.